Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Well, okay, guys, so AKUS, I'm going to show you where it happened on our racers. Okay, so there it was. Now, I was watching this. Now, it says 644 right here, but this was winning a race and it was moving higher, so I decided to click on the alert. And when I clicked on the alert, it was right about here, just over that 6 level. And it just kept running and running and running all the way up to 716. So I was able to take advantage in about the middle 2/3 of it. Okay, no, it didn't get right. Now, would it have been running a race here? Probably, but I think if I can remember, there was something going on that I couldn't pay enough attention to it. But anyway, the bottom line is that I was able to take advantage of it. And now look what's happened to it, okay? It is completely and utterly collapsed. This is sort of the market we're in. I just want to show you what the SPY looks like if you're not familiar with what the SPY is looking like. I mean, this is the pre-market, this brown area here. There was a nice little gap here, you know, it started to move higher, then it moved down, then the opening candle, this big 15-minute red candle, followed by a big green candle that wiped it out. It might be hard to see, but right here, in fact, what I'll do is, let me get the SPY right here. At one point, remember, this candle, the third candle, was green. And look, all right, we're just going to keep moving higher. And then all of a sudden, a doji. You know, we've got a topping tail, we've got a bottoming tail. The next one, the same sort of thing, not quite as big a topping tail. And then it looked, all right, we're on our way again. And then, you know, down 45 minutes, up a little. Bottom line is, I'm struggling right now to find anything that is trending very well. You know, it's that simple. I cannot manufacture trades. In other words, I'm not going to try to, you know, anticipate something that might keep going at all. I got fairly lucky, I figure, on the AKUS. But as I said in the room, you've got to be quick today. You've got to be quick. Well, in the last few days even, you know, you can't hang around thinking, okay, AKUS, I get in here, I take some out here, I'm going to hold some, you know, because it's going to pull back a little. Oh, I'm going to keep holding it. Oh, I'm going to keep holding it. You see what I'm saying? Pullbacks are okay, but, you know, this is more than a pullback. This is like almost complete capitulation. Now, the other one I'm watching, though, is HTGM. It may, oops, I got to put it in wrong. HTGM, you can see also, now this is earlier on in the day, but it is won 11 races now. And same sort of thing, though. Look how choppy it is. Now, not quite as bad as the other one. In that case, it would have gone all the way back down here. But if you look at the daily chart for it, you're going to see it had a huge day yesterday. Yeah, huge day yesterday, though it did sell off. It got up to 111, and then it closed down here at 88 cents. And, you know, I would have thought, okay, I guess that must be it. But then it gapped up. There was a gap. And this is a key level, right up here. That's why I have a blue line. My price alert line is right here. Very key level, because if it can take that out, then when you look left on this daily chart, the next high is $1.60. So, you know, if it can go from $1.30 anywhere close to $1.60, that'd be a tremendous percentage move. But again, not easy. These are definitely not an easy day. A lot of chop. You know, I'll have to wait and see what happens in the afternoon. But anyway, just wanted to show you what I saw today, and I'm almost exclusively just looking at the races, just as, you know, get these ideas generated all day long. All right, everybody, I want to stop this so I can get back into the trading room. You'll notice in the email you're getting, there is a promo now for July 20. For the July 4th holiday in the United States for 25% off. So check that out. I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. I hope to see you then. Bye-bye.